Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Today we went over to Toys R Us to see what we could find because they had a good deal on if you spend $50 or more in Lego sets. You would get a $10 coupon for more Lego for the month of October. Plus they had a build. So we ended up picking up 3 Harry Potter sets. And we got, well, I'll show you these in a second. And we got the free build as well. So let's crack it open and I'll show you what was inside the bag. And here we are. We have Grindelwald's Escape, Harry Potter and Hedwig Brickhead, and also the Hermione Granger Brickhead. Now you know my feelings on brickheads, but because it is of the Harry Potter line, I wanted to get that. And here is our mini build with the bag. Here's our mini build. And the instructions. It is the Lego Friends Clubs with Hearts Tour Clubhouse. And it's a cute little build. Lots of parts and pieces, and we're going to build that, and of course we'll do that in another video. And we'll do videos for these as well. So this is the quick overview of what we picked up today, and we'll talk to you guys again later. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching.